Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to video lectures class 4 subject English lecture number 6. Contents: Introduction, Explanation. I will explain how to attempt creative writing. At the end, you will write a passage with me. Introduction: Creative writing, writing by yourself. Writing a passage about a visit by recalling you saw there, you felt there, you heard there, you ate there. How to write your passage? There are few important points that are going to help you thinking about your visit. Start thinking about your visit. What did you see there? What did you hear there? What did you eat there? Randomly writing your ideas, points, words on a page. Now arrange your ideas in an order. Then coming to making small sentences, use the words and make small sentences. Follow the tense. Dear students, now you are a senior class. Remember, writing about past, use past tense throughout the passage. Ending sentence should be impressive and try to relate it with your first sentence. For example, during the last summer vacation, I visited my village. End it like this. I really enjoyed my visit. Okay, a visit on which you are going to write today is a visit to my village. Exciting. Village is a very beautiful place. Maybe you belong to a village, or you have heard, or maybe you have read about it. Let's recall your points. Green fields, farmers plowing, green crops, stars at night. You saw all this. Happy, excited, relaxed, silence, fresh, cool breeze, no pollution. You felt all this. Fresh fruits, butter, cornbread. You ate it. Chirping of birds. You heard. Ran in fields, played with children, went for morning walk. You did this. Dear students, now we will arrange the points. During the last summer vacation, I visited my village. This is the first sentence for you. Now, look at the points. Excited, happy, saw green fields filled with green crops, ran in fields. The farmers went for morning walk, felt relaxed. The birds were chirping, ate fresh fruits from garden, breakfast with butter and cornbread. The last sentence would be like this. I really enjoyed my stay in the village. Now we will write the paragraph by using these points. Let's write the paragraph. During the last summer vacation, I visited my village. I was very excited. I saw green fields there. They were filled with green crops. I ran in the fields. The farmers were plowing their fields. Next day, I went for morning walk. I felt happy and relaxed. The birds were chirping. I ate fresh fruits from the garden. I also ate cornbread with butter in the breakfast. I really enjoyed my stay in the village. Now, dear students, have you noticed that we have written the paragraph in a small and simple sentences? We have used the points which we have already arranged, and how easy it is to write a paragraph by arranging the points. So always try to write it like this. Dear students, your home task is write a paragraph on my visit to a historical place. Again, this is a visit, but visit of a historical place. There are many historical places in your city Lahore, and I'm sure you have visited them. Recall your visit and write a paragraph by keeping in mind: first, choose a place, then describe that place, and then write about what you saw there, felt there, heard there, ate there, did there. Make small sentences and write a paragraph of at least 12 lines. Do this work on your notebooks. Thank you, dear students. I hope today's lecture has helped you to improve your creative writing. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.